Listen, ladies, if you come to Raggis Jerk and you smell like smoke, you might find a husband the same day. Let me let you know. They told me we was running out of chicken, so we had to get the big boy out. Ain't no more running out of chicken. Falling apart.
Look, y'all, it's falling off the bone right there.
Look at
that jerk chicken. You don't want to run into this sign. Sold out. Look, y'all, the customers are rolling in. Y'all better get here early.
New Jersey, we cooking. Listen, we cooking chicken, man. We cooking chicken.
You don't want to run into this sign. Sold out. Big up right here on 14th Street, Raggis Jerk. Oh, we gotta go see what's over here, y'all.
Listen, if your dress smoked up, then you'll find it. Listen, ladies, if you come to Raggis Jerk and you smell like smoke, you might find a husband the same day. Let me let you know, because they're gonna like you better. When you smell like smoke.
She said, I'm not trying to find a husband. She good.
Ooh, we introducing. They told me we was running out of chicken, so we had to get the big boy out. Ain't no more running out of chicken. No
they
more
got
running
plenty
out
of chicken, y'all. Y'all better get down here.
No more long waits for chicken, all right? The only problem is if when you tell your auntie and your sister and they tell everybody, all right? There's some guys who are mad at me because they said they used to come to Raggis Jerk and be able to sit down and relax. Now everybody knows where the chicken is at. Now the line's out the door and they can't get no chicken in peace. Right, this chicken is so cooked, it's falling apart.
Look, y'all, it's falling off the bone right there.
Look at
that jerk chicken.
Listen,
look at this.
This is my real smoker right here.
Oh, he got it. And this came from the big grill.
And these are your sauces that's gonna go.
Oh, we got sauce. You can just set them right in there.
Listen, mango barbecue.
Mango barbecue.
Sauce, right? The jerk sauce is a little spicy, but
it's jerk sauce, spicy.
And when you get the spice, hold on.
When you
get the spice with the hot chicken, it's so much better.
Put it right there in my finger. yeah, right there.
It's on domino table, right?
Yeah, I can stand up, man. Look, wherever.
No. We want you to sit.
He said, look, he's setting up a table. That's it, y'all. Look, y'all know this my second time. I ain't gonna lie, right? But this right here, he's doing it totally different. We got this on the big grill today. Y'all see the smoke, got the plate, the smoke, everything. Let me move out of the way. Hold up, y'all. Let us go over here. We're gonna set her right here. We're gonna set that up right there. Y'all thought this was a game? He is not playing. Let's get into it. Raggis Jerk. We got the jerk chicken. I'm gonna put that spicy sauce on here first. First of all, let's get the thumbnail. We're gonna get the thumbnail in there. Back to that one. I'm gonna just pour some of this. You know what? Let's taste this sauce first. Hold up. Oh, it is. I want to dip that. I want to dip the chicken in this sauce. Oh, that sauce tastes so good. It ain't as spicy though. Hold on, make sure I ain't got the wrong. Oh, whew. That's the spicy one. Ugh. That joker spicy right there. Let's get it. See, look at this joker right here. Look at this. Look at that, man. That right there, that chicken looks delicious. Ooh, I ain't even messing with y'all. All right, let's just take that piece of meat right there. We gonna put it in the sweeter one, right? The sweeter sauce first. Let's dip that in there like that. Hold up. Yo, I'm telling y'all, it's the truth. It's the truth. Ooh, look at that skin. Y'all see that skin right there? Can you see that? We going for that right there. We gonna put this one in the spicy. That skin tastes a little bit like beef jerky a little bit. That's that chicken jerky, that jerk chicken. Oh wow. I don't know what to say, y'all. That's delicious. That spicy sauce too is absolutely delicious. There's people coming in and out of the restaurant, and I'm gonna mix it now. I'm gonna mix the sweet and the spicy sauce together. And let's see if we can make some magic with it. All right, here's that sweet one right there. And I'm gonna mix it in with that spicy. Yo, that is so good. If you like spicy, you want to try this one right here. If you like mild, that sweet one, I think he said it was the mango one. Absolutely delicious. Y'all know I'm in the chicken wings. I got a whole thigh here. Y'all gotta excuse me while I go into beast mode on it. Okay? We sitting out here on 14. We're sitting out here on 14th Street and 9th Avenue. And we are not playing, man. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at that with that sauce, man. That is absolutely the sauce dripping off them. Got that sauce there dripping off of them. Now that one's not spicy, but that joker just hit my throat a little bit. Like that vinegary taste in there and the sweetness. It's mad delicious. We're back, y'all. Back in Newark. There's like some rain clouds over our head too. We better hurry up and eat this food.
All right, when you come, find a way to write your order on a piece of paper, and we gonna figure out a system. We're still figuring it out. We ain't there yet, but we're trying. We're doing our best, all right? To make sure everybody can get their chicken fast enough. For the people who were disappointed because they had to wait and some had to leave, I apologize, man. Listen, it's hard selling good food when everybody wants some.
And I don't know if I tried it without the sauce. That bark on that chicken, the flavor is magnificent. Look at that right there. See that? It's thorough, y'all. I'm gonna mix a little hot and sweet with that one. Y'all can't see my foot right now, but my foot is patting like I hear music. I think if you're truly serving your community, things gonna work out for you no matter what. How many of y'all agree with that? Put it in the chat. If I had the choice of the sweet and the spicy sauces, I would go with the sweeter one. But I'm glad I got both, because that spicy sauce is no joke. I'm gonna tell Reggie he's gonna have to do a mix of both of them, because I keep dipping in both. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you're hanging with the right cat now. I love you guys. We're signing off from Newark, New Jersey at Raggis Jerk. I'm gonna eat the rest of my food. I don't know where we're going next, but I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace! I just wanna pour that sweet sauce right there. And then get a little bit of the hot right there. My mouth is burning right now, y'all. Right, it's not burning like fire burning, but it's burning. We back, y'all. We're gonna be out here about another month here in the States, and then we're going back overseas. Now the bar is really high. Can anybody compare to Raggis Jerk in Thailand? I'm thirsty as a mug, but I'm not stopping. Look at that one right there. I don't know if y'all noticed, I was saving that one for later. I want real crispy. See what I'm saying? Hello. Ambulance worker just went up in there. That gristle good? I don't know why I'm singing that song. I don't even know where that's from. Where that tune from, y'all? Name that tune. Dun-na, 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 I'm done. That joke right here is smoke. Perfect. I'm out.
Listen, we love y'all though. We love everybody, all right? Raggis Jerk, we outside.
All right, y'all. I'm finished.
Cooking slow. Cooking. Yes, sir. That's Reggie.
Reggie.
Come on.
Oh, they know Reggie's. They know Reggie's. What days are you open?
Listen, we're open Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. We're closed on Saturdays, all right?
But Thursday?
Listen, Thursday we are wide open. The doors are wide open. Come on in. And listen, we got beef ribs today. You know, we on the grill. We on the stove. We got a brand new stove so we can cook more, get you your food faster. Come on true, people. We ain't playing around. Come on true. And listen, I want to thank a few people. Let me take the time out to say Najee Jihad, One Kid Problem, thank you. Good Bites by Chris, thank you. Keezus Fest, thank you, my brother. We are in the house. Chicken on the grill.
Y'all heard it right here. We here live. This is not Memorex. Ooh, sorry about that, sis. You got it? Yeah. You're welcome. All right, y'all. We just gonna break camp. I was gonna say goodbye to Reggie, but he busy. We just gonna leave. I'll hit him back later. On to the next one.